Hello friends, welcome to our channel ICSI Exam Preparation. Please do not forget to like, share and follow the page to get regular updates on quiz which helps you to grow your knowledge.
Question number 1. Which of the following is not an advantage of MNCs? Option A. It helps in generating tax revenues for the host. Option B. It helps in generating employment opportunities. Option C. Providing high quality goods. And option D. Helps in development of backwards areas. Question number 2. BIFR stands for option A. Board for Industrial and Financial Reconstruction. Option B. Board for Industrial and Financial Retransformation. Option C. Board for International Finance. And option D. None of the above and revenue. Question number 3. BHEL, HPCL, NTPC, ONGC, SAIL are the example of option A. Navaratnas, option B. Mini Ratnas, option C. Swarna Ratnas, and option D. Koinurs. Question number 4. The contribution of PSUs in total national savings is option A 4%, option B 6%, option C 1%, option D 5%. Question number 5. The number of people currently employed in PSUs in India are around option A 1.9 million, option B 3 million, option C 4.8 million, option D 5 million. Question number 6. Which of the following statement is not true in respect of PSUs? Option A. It has played a significant role in Indian economy. B. The rate of return is high. C. The total saving rate in PSUs is nearly 35%. And D. The overall performance of most of the PSUs is not satisfactory. Question number 7. Which of the following statement is true? Option A. The traditional small scale industries are labor intensive. Option B. Modern small-scale industries use highly sophisticated machinery and equipments. Option C, neither A nor B. Option D, both A and B. Question number 8. An organization established for providing essential services like railway, postal services, broadcasting, etc. is called option A, statutory corporation, option B, departmental undertaking, option C, public company, and option D, government company. Question number 9. A corporate body created by Parliament or state legislature by a special act defining its powers, that is functions, etc. is called option A, departmental undertaking, option B, government company, option C, statutory corporation, and option D, public company. Question number 10. A government company refers to a company in which dash is held by the central or state government. Option A, 51% of authorized capital. Option B, 51% of subscribed capital. Option C, 51% of nominal capital. And option D, 51% of paid up capital.
The answer is option D. Thank you for watching our video. Please do not forget to like, share and follow the page.